Testing. Hey everyone, I have no idea if any of you are going to join me live because it is my first live video ever on Instagram, but I am very excited and I plan on saving this video. I just got home from work, which is why I'm all dolled up, and I came home to this package from my very good friend Barry. I am a huge fan of Barry's work. She does popcorn and chocolates and gummies and all this stuff, and she recently did a sale, and I've been wanting to try her stuff for the longest time, and I finally ordered it, and I came home to this package, and I'm gonna open it because I want everyone to see what I just got. So without further ado, let's open it. I'm going to have to put my phone down, I think. All right, so I have an idea what condition everything will be in because I did go travel for a few days. But it's like the mystery box. I gave her 40 bucks and I said, send me what you got. This right here from Berry Sweet Studio are the much coveted mango chamoy and mango gummies, which I am very excited to try. And I will do one right now and give everyone my honest opinion. Hey guys! So people do join these things. So I just got a package of mango chamoy and gummies from Berry Sweet Studios. I've been a huge fan of hers for a while. I highly recommend everyone follow her on Instagram. Right there. So she was hosting a sale recently and I said, screw it. Here's 40 bucks. Send me what you got. So I'm doing a live tasting. All right. I'm going to start with the ones that look hard so that I'm not chewing. This is supposed to be something with mango. That is good stuff. Hold on. Let me bite half of it. Wow, this is really good. Oh. Alright. Can you guys see that? Hello, thank you. I just got home from work, so I'm like all dressed up. I don't know what this candy is, but it's actually freaking amazing. It's mango. I'm trying to show you guys. There we go. So it kind of tastes like dried mango in here. It's really good. All right, that was the orange one. Let me get the smaller pink one. These are really good. I don't know what the hell they are. They're mango magic. And then lastly, this I know she made herself because she always posts, hey Carlos, how are you? This is mango chamoy. So Barry is a Mexican chef, and I've been wanting to try this for a very long time. It smells good. You can't really taste the mango as much, but the chamoy is really good. Anyway, if you see her hosting the sale, I recommend buying these stuff. I'm gonna finish all of these. So, to all of you guys who are just joining, I'm just doing a taster on. These are really good. A candy and chamoy that I tried from one of my friends who was hosting a sale. Does that come off backwards for you guys? I say it backwards. But it's Berry Sweet Studio. She does amazing popcorns, gourmet popcorns, and sells her recipes for you guys to make. So I've been wanting to try her stuff and do a live thing. A lot of you guys are joining and I'm about to hang up. So thanks for watching. You can watch the replay. And like I said, if you're a fan of Mexican candies, next time she hosts, you should buy some. Nice seeing all of you. Bye.